Hello guys, Tesla has announced its annual 2024 holiday update. The Tesla holiday update is actually coming next week. The Tesla holiday update includes 26 plus new features for free. These continuous software updates are one of the best aspects of Tesla ownership. Here are some new Tesla software update features. Tesla app on Apple Watch, saved Dashcam and Sentry Mode clips to phone, Autoshift between drive and reverse on stalkless Model 3, maintenance summary, and search along route with estimated detour time, precipitation map and weather at destination, red cross traffic alert, Cybertruck custom wraps and license plate customization, Cybertruck Santa mode, schedule light show from Tesla app, boomerang foo game, adjust passenger seat from control, rear screen remote now allows video playback control in drive, and navigating to supercharger. Upon arrival, you will be notified on the touch screen of any stall that are currently out of the service.
Delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up,